Jerry Timmons, Leary, Georgia, steers 5-1. Be one load out of 75 steers. The base will be around 720, 725 for September the 9th through 13th delivery. Jerry Timmons, Leary, Georgia, 5-1. Jerry Timmons, steers 5-1. Really a nice set of number one muscle, medium and large frame Angus sired steers. Over 60 steers will be AI sired using lead on. Cleanup bulls are 878, image maker, and lead on sons. Jerry Timmons, 5-1. Jerry Timmons, 5-1. One load out of 75, around 720, 725 for September the 9th through 13th delivery. Cattle will have over 56, 58 days before getting on the truck. 5-1. Really a nice set of number one muscle, medium and large frame Angus sired steers. Jerry Timmons and his wife Judy, Leary, Georgia, 5-1. Cattle are grading a real high percent choice grade. A lot of carcass genetics in the AI sired. Most of Jerry's cows now are AI sired. Jerry Timmons, 5-1. In one load around 720, 725. Cattle will be sorted according to weight and be a uniform set. Number one muscle, medium and large frame, Angus sired steers. Cattle are real docile. Put a little pressure getting them out of the shade so we can get a picture of them in the sun. It's Jerry Timmons, Leary, Georgia, 5-1. Really a super set of Angus sired steers. Jerry Timmons, 5-1. Jerry Timmons Heifers, 5-2. Be around 40 head of heifers. Weight to be around 640 for September the 9th through 13th delivery. 5-2, Jerry Timmons, Leary, Georgia. He'll be saving most of the AI sired heifers. Be around 40 head for sale. It'll be around 640, 645 at delivery. Really a nice set of Angus sired heifers. Number one medium and large frame. Jerry Timmons, 5-2. The calves might not be AI sired out of the cleanup bulls, but most of them out of AI sired mamas. Jerry Timmons, 5-2. Jerry Timmons, 5-2, Leary, Georgia. 40 head of heifers, around 640, 645. Nothing prettier than a bunch of females walking away from you. 5-2. Jerry Timmons, 5-2, Leary, Georgia. 40 head of heifers. All the heifers could be used for replacement. We'll cut out the poor doing smaller, younger cattle. Jerry Timmons, 5-2.